Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we all will be watching about top 10 health benefits of drinking hot water. So don't skip the video and watch till end. And you are watching top 10. 10. Hot water helps to relieve the symptoms of achalasia. Achalasia is a rare disorder, making difficult for food and liquid to pass into the stomach. Drinking lots of hot water makes food easy to move to the stomach, and also it destroys the symptoms of achalasia. 9. Hot water helps the body's detoxification system. It is found that drinking plenty of hot water can help to protect the kidneys and keeps the joints well lubricated. It also helps to flush out toxins from our body. 8. Hot water helps to decrease our stress level. Drinking plenty of hot water helps to decrease the stress level and boosts calmness, satisfaction, and positive emotions. Drinking hot water also makes us feel happy and relaxed. 7. Hot water improves our blood circulation. Hot water warms our body and makes the blood circulation better. Better circulation helps to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease and makes our heart safe and healthy. 6. Hot water frees all hair problems. Drinking warm water enables the nerves of hair growth. Thus, blood circulation becomes fast and active, which makes our hair soft and shiny. Warm water also fights against dehydration and promotes the regular activity of the roots and subsequently accelerates our hair growth. Number 5. Hot water benefits kidney. Drinking warm or hot water daily in the morning flushes and clears out the kidney toxins and fat deposits in the intestine through the urinary region. It also helps in increasing our blood circulation. Number 4. Drinking hot water smoothens digestion. Hot water is particularly beneficial for our digestion. Studies have shown that drinking cold water during or after a meal can harden the oil present in the consumed foods. This can create a fat deposit on the inner wall of your intestine, which would eventually result in intestinal cancer. Hot water mainly aids in better digestion and improves our digestive system and makes it function well. Hot water prevents acne and pimples. Hot water deep cleanses our body and eliminates the root cause of acne-related infections. Drinking hot water on a daily basis can increase our body temperature and release toxins from the body, which prevents the growth of acne. Drinking water keeps our body hydrated with fluids and cools down the body's temperature, which helps in reducing the body heat, and thus we can avoid acne and pimples easily. Number 2. Hot water benefits our skin. Drinking hot water relaxes our body and increases the blood circulation. This results in cleaner skin complexion and increases its elasticity, toning, and smoothing of wrinkles. Hot water also flushes out harmful toxins and oils from the skin, and it also makes our face even more prettier and beautiful. Drinking hot boiled water kills germs and viruses and makes water clean to drink. Boiling water kills and inactivates viruses, bacteria, protozoa, and other pathogens by using heat to damage structural components and disrupt essential life processes. According to World Health Organization, temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 are enough to kill most viruses, and boiling water makes it safe from pathogens like bacteria, viruses, and protozoa. So next time when you drink water, don't forget to heat it and have these healthy benefits for a very good healthy living. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something very useful today. For more awesome videos, please subscribe to my channel Top 10, like, share and comment. So if you want to drink water next time, have it only a hot water. Thank you.